Unboxing and installing Max Speed and Grid Street Performance T6 Series Coilovers for 2010 Honda Civic F01. Front coilovers come pre-assembled with adjustable camber plates, rear shock absorber, pair of rear springs, rear spring seats, spanner wrench, lower limit spacer, 1.5mm small hex key, a 4mm hex key, brand introduction, instruction manual, and car sticker. Tools required for replacing the T6 coilovers. You'll need a 1/2-inch electric impact, a 3/8 electric ratcheting wrench, 3/8 torque wrench, 1/2-inch torque wrench, 3/8 ratchet wrench, 1/2-inch short extension bar, 19mm end wrench, flathead screwdriver, clip removal tool, 3/8 15mm socket, 1/2-inch 15mm socket, 3/8 14mm socket, 1/2-inch 17mm socket, 1/2-inch 12mm socket, and a 1/2-inch 14mm socket. Use 17mm socket to loosen lug nuts. Lift the vehicle and remove the wheel. Using a 12mm socket, remove the brake hose mount. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the sensor clip. Use a 17mm socket with a 19mm wrench to loosen and remove the knuckle bolts. Lower the vehicle and open the hood. After securing the hood, head over to the top of the strut. Remove the access panel from the cowl. Use a 14mm socket to remove the upper nuts. Pull your old strut down and out, and install your new coilover. Hand start the new hardware. New hardware is a 15mm socket. Tighten the top mount nuts to 16 Nm or 45 foot-pounds of torque. Lift the vehicle and insert the knuckle into the bottom of the new coilover. Reuse the old hardware and use a 17mm socket with 19mm wrench to tighten. Secure the brake hose. Secure the sensor clip. With the 12mm socket, tighten the brake line mount. Tighten the knuckle bolts to 130 Nm or 95 foot-pounds of torque. Lower the vehicle and reinstall the front wheel. Hand start your lug nuts. Use a 17mm socket to secure the lug nuts and torque lug nuts to 130 Nm or 95 foot-pounds of torque. To finish up the front of the car, replace the access panel back on the cowl and remount the weather seal. Go ahead and close the hood and move to the rear of the vehicle. Use 17mm socket to loosen lug nuts. Lift the vehicle and finish removing the wheel. Lower the vehicle and open the trunk. Take out the trunk mat and use a clip tool to remove the foam pad. Then remove the clips on the side carpet liner. Remove the plastic loading guard. Pull carpet away from the shock tower. Use a 14mm socket to remove the upper shock absorber hardware. Lift the vehicle and use a 14mm socket to remove the lower shock hardware. Remove the old shock absorber and remove the old rear spring. Install the new rear coilover spring with the adjuster plate. When installing the new rear shock, use the provided small hex key to remove the dampening adjustment cap. Remove the new hardware and reuse the original upper bushing. Install the new shock absorber. Install the bolt. Use 14mm socket to secure the lower bolt. Tighten to 80 Nm or 60 foot-pounds of torque. Lower the vehicle to attach the upper from inside the trunk. Place the original bushing over the shock mount, then the washer and the nut. Tighten with 17mm socket. Reinstall the dampening adjustment topper. Use the small hex key to tighten it. Put your trunk back together, starting with the carpet liner. Reattach all the clips. Reinstall the foam parts and the clips for all of those pieces. Reinstall the plastic loading guard alongside the trunk mat. Close the trunk lid and reinstall your wheel. Always start lug nuts by hand, and then use a 17mm socket to secure the wheel, and then tighten to 130 Newton meters or 95 foot-pounds of torque.